Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Awakening is fulfilling, knowing thyself. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. the 15th of February 2020. The secret we have been aspiring to know is the realization of who we really are, and that is your mission of why you accepted to be here on the planet, a place to live with chaos, diseases, anger and hate all around. It is a situation where you live in a place without memories of the past, where you forget everything, who you are, where you come from, and you have that total feeling and emotion of loss, anxiety, and no purpose at all. You start all over again. Imagine last night I dreamt of no memories except Tilla, my granddaughter, frightening me and sent shivers to my spine, waking me up to write this missive. The dream is a return to Creator, and agree to start again. But now, at awakening, knowing that your soul's mission is completed and everything you need to learn and embody is within you, that is wisdom and knowledge beyond compare. And now you know that loving yourself unconditionally is what matters most. As you meditate and focus and go within, you are illuminated and made fully aware of all that you created and intends to create further and contribute to the expansion of the universe as the Creator desires it. You are the creator of your life, as from nothing you make your life, make new experiences. We have been assisting the collective consciousness in our own little ways in meditation, focus, taking care of our health, body and soul, and love and compassion for others are significant ascension activities of a human being. Communicating with love and concern for others is a simple way of assuring us of getting to the next step, fulfilling our ultimate desire to help the human collective consciousness. This is now the new prime goal, helping humanity ascend, and to remember we are one. Read Service to Others in 5D.com. Archangel Metatron shares with us, everything has already been created, nothing is new. The sequence of your existence is your simultaneous embodiment of everything that is the Creator. Go within yourself, take all the free time you can have, and better still provide most of your time for meditation and focus, and ask your spiritual guides to amplify the qualities and energies of trust, courage, expansion and awakening within you, for you to start to enter familiar situations, and now being known, what has been unknown all within yourself. List down your astral travels and those experiences will be of help in your daily lives. As you ask and invoke the assistance of your spiritual guides, in reality, you are asking yourself to help yourself, difficult to understand, but as you go within, know, and fully understand. As you do astral travel, living a reality in 4D, ask Christ consciousness to merge your whole being with Source, the magnetic sun, Christ consciousness, and become one, Trinity in one. You are fully awakened. Invoke the assistance of the consciousness of Christ and let her energy surround you. Be grounded to earth energy, focus to the light, love and truth, and connect to the powerful universal light blaze, activating the light within all of us, allowing the divine flow of the Creator permeates your whole being. Love and light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, share teachings everywhere, anywhere. Link at heyornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or articles at the net.